Okay, so this is what the daily would look like on a day that I actually have a lot to do. So again, I have this band that represents the time of the day. So I color coded the times and set them out like this. So from 7:30 to 8:30, this was my first day back in work. I had a check-in breakfast. From 8:30 to 10, we had district meetings and CTA meeting. From 10:15 to 11:45, I had a PD session, and there was lunch and so on. So I kind of color coded that when I had a lot of things going on. And then I added some things later that came up later. At 6 o'clock I worked out, and then I had dinner at the O'Donogho's that night. So I kind of condensed it a little bit from that first one I showed you, and I did an affirmation on the side because I had space for it. So like this one, it's an affirmation or a quote. So this was, "It seems the harder I work, the more luck I have," by Thomas Jefferson. And then I put, instead of doing it, let me go back to it, instead of it having it take up as much time as this, as much space as this one did, I condensed it so that I can use more space. Now, if you don't mind spreading it out, you can condense, you can take this whole page for your whole day, and then you can do reflections after that. That was something that I saw in the Happy Journal that I liked. So you can see I tend to write a lot of tasks down, but I don't necessarily get to all of them at once. And every once in a while, I'll just make a master task list, and I'll show you that in a sec. So here I did like an overview recap, just kind of going over my first 2 days back. And here I didn't have a lot to do because I'm like, I already have this running task list here. I don't need to rewrite it here. So that's what I like about doing my spreads like that.